In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted objects from your images using Canva, and we'll do it seamlessly. First things first, let's open up Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a versatile design tool that's incredibly user-friendly, even if you're just getting started. You can access it via your web browser or through its mobile app. Once you've got Canva open, head over to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen and navigate to the Uploads section. This is where Canva stores all the images, videos, and other media that you choose to work with. If your image is not already in your uploads, simply click on the Upload Media button to bring it in from your computer. After you've got your image uploaded, it's time to dive into the editing process. Click on your image to select it, and it will appear on your design canvas. Now, if you glance up towards the top left corner, you'll see an Edit option. Go ahead and click that to bring up Canva's suite of editing tools. Within this suite, one of the most powerful tools you'll find is the Magic Eraser. This tool is a bit of digital magic, allowing you to remove objects from your image as if they were never there. It's particularly handy when you want to cleanly eliminate distractions from your photos. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. With the Magic Eraser selected, you'll want to click and drag over the object in your image that you'd like to remove. This tool works best when you take your time and carefully cover the entire object. Ensure that the object you're targeting is outlined completely to achieve the cleanest removal. Once you're satisfied with your selection, look for the option labeled Erase. Click this and Canva's Magic Eraser will do its work, swiftly removing the unwanted object from your image. You'll likely be amazed at just how seamlessly it does this, blending the surrounding areas naturally into the space where the object once existed. After you've successfully erased the object, take a moment to review how the overall image looks. You can always go back and make adjustments if necessary. Zoom in to ensure that the edges and surrounding areas look natural and cohesive. This final check will help guarantee that everything appears polished and professional. And there you have it. That's how you remove unwanted objects in Canva with minimal fuss. By using the Magic Eraser, you can clean up your images like a pro, adding that refined touch to make your visuals stand out. So, next time you're working on a project and notice something distracting in your image, remember that Canva has you covered with its powerful yet easy-to-use editing tools. Thank you for watching and happy designing.